Soon, in a couple days, you see this view over here. This view that's like a fake view. We're gonna turn that view into a real fucking view. I would have got spared. Barely. I would have barely got spared. I'ma still show up. Nonetheless, I'ma do what's required to get us to that point. You a sensei in trading at this point? Nah, not yet.
Man, I ain't even gotta hold the camera.
That's what I said for my girl. I said when she don't want to record,
Just put the.
I'm gonna continue showing you guys what it takes to be great. Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today it is Saturday and it's only 8:50 right now. It's early in the morning, but we wake up around the same time every day. We're up and active no matter if we have live trading or not. We had an L week, but it is what it is. We had a L week. The week before that we had a W week, and we lost half of what we made the other week. So we're still in profit, so I'm not really too worried about it. So we just live to trade another day. But the things that we have to do today, we have a couple things planned. First, I gotta put the seatbelt so y'all don't get your ears cooked. And also, matter of fact, before anything, I also want to let you guys know, depending on when you're watching this video, the video for Friday night, it was already being uploaded last night and everything, but it just never processed, and it's still not finished processing. I don't know why. It should have been up last night. Like, I didn't try to miss it. It was all in getting uploaded before 11 o'clock at night, but I don't know what happened. When I get home, I'm gonna have to check it out again to see why it's still processing. But like I was saying, we have a couple things planned today. First things first, I gotta get home right now, and then once I get home, we're gonna have our VIP call. We're not gonna be live trading, but the thing that we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be going over our weekly. We're gonna have our weekly call, and every weekend, every Saturday or Sunday, it depends on which one I do it on. We go over everything from the previous week. So all the L's that I took, I'm gonna go over all the days from Monday to Friday. We're gonna back test, and overall, get the information we need to understand what to do next time, to understand what the market does, and to get the confidence that our system still works overall. Is what we do, and then we're gonna talk about what we're expecting for next week. Same thing, different week. We just do it all the time. It's gonna be recorded and everything. So if you wanna join VIP, there's a lot of game. It's a lot of value. There's a reason a lot of people join and a lot of people don't leave. So with that being said, that's first. And after we get done that, gotta go get a haircut. Finally getting a haircut. Like right now, hold on, I'm gonna show y'all. This shit is bad vibes, bro. This shit is bad vibes. But listen, I've been waiting for this time to get a haircut. I've been waiting for the weekend before I move. We've been working. The haircut is, the significance of the haircut is to show the grind that it's taking to put the work in. I'm just no days off, and I'm doing something that I don't want to do. I can easily got a haircut a long time ago, but I'm just having the discipline not to, having the discipline to be patient. So, and then after that, we just continue doing what we do any other day. Go to the gym, create content, give value, change lives. I'm gonna see you guys when we get to the grill. Crib, back in the lair, back in the lab, back in the place that made me a whole lot of money. Soon, in a couple days, you see this view over here. This view that's like a fake view. We're gonna turn that view into a real fucking view. And I'm telling you, I just ordered the stuff on Amazon last night for like the things that I want for my new room. Because as you guys know, I still have my own office room in the new apartment. So it was gonna be even, this one I didn't decorate it too crazy. I kind of kept majority of the stuff that I already had. But this next one, I already ordered some new things for it. We're gonna have a good time. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna show you some of the stuff just like this. That's all I'm gonna show for right now. That's all I'm gonna show for right now. There's gonna be more coming, but that's just the first stages. That's the stuff that I wanna have by Monday so I can then immediately put it in there when I put my setup and everything. Because this setup is gonna be the first thing that I set up so I can work there from day one. So, with that being said, we're about to get this VIP call started. It's about 9:20, so in 10 minutes, we're gonna be live and we're gonna go over everything. So, I'll show you guys a little bit of clips, but if you want the full value, full access, join VIP. Now we're gonna get straight to the charts on this one. Let me make sure I'm recording. It was a 9:30 move. It traded into the 1 hour for value gap, and it targeted its previous day's high. Now you could have got out at that previous day's high, but it only would have been a 1-to-1. If you're looking for a 1-to-2 minimum like we always do, you would have been able to get it. Now it looks like it went all the way up to a 1-to-4, a 1-to-5 total, but we can't control knowing if it's gonna go to a 1-to-4 or 1-to-5. We can only control what we can control, and that's just when it gets to a 1-to-2, 1-to-3, take what you can get, because you can guarantee take what you have at the moment. Ran all these highs, ran the 9 o'clock high before falling. Now, if I would have had a 90-point stop loss, I would have been good. If I would have had a 100-point stop loss, I would have been good. There comes to a point to where there's gonna be a lot of wicks. That's why I don't like having only one trade. I know there's gonna be times that I take a trade and it's gonna do something like this to me. Cause this is a perfect trade idea. 10 o'clock, false break, ran the 9 o'clock high. And we are technically at all-time highs, so you can bet on us at least a retracement. This doesn't have to be a full reversal, but at least a retracement, which it ended up was. This was a great trade idea, but it would have stopped me out. Now, looking at it, hindsight, the best idea to get in would have been waiting for it to run the 9 o'clock high, and then from the 9 o'clock high, that's where I could have got my entry. And then if I would have got the entry based off of that 9 o'clock high with my 50 points, I would have got spared barely. I would have barely got spared and then flipped. So in my opinion, it's not a worthy trading day. In my opinion, you're better off saving your money for the day before it or the day after. Because if we come to the day after, we're gonna have some better price action to go off of. So now we're gonna be going over Thursday. You a sensei in trading at this point? Nah, not yet. Not yet. I'm always remain a student to the game. Always something to learn, always something to improve. That's the best way to go about it. Sunday, I'm gonna talk about just like the lifestyle of it, money, trying to get apartments, trying to live on it, the reality of it, just like the outside of the charts of it. I think it'll be good since I'm doing all this shit with the fucking apartment, trying to move it in. And yeah, then we come back Monday and we start it all over again. We gonna rinse and repeat, just another day, just another day. All right, so we're done with the VIP call. I'll show you guys little clips and everything from what we went over. Oh my God, this hair is, just don't even look at it, bro. We're about to get a haircut. We're about to get a haircut, bro. But I'm about to upload this call because as you guys know, not everybody's going to be able to show up. We go from having 50, 60 people live trading with us to 11 to 15 people here on the weekends for the educational sessions. These sessions are very important. It's not like these are any less important than anything else. Just people don't take advantage of them as much. But nonetheless, I'm going to still show up. Nonetheless, I'm going to do what's required to get us to that point. So with that being said, I'm going to upload this. Then I'm going to take a shower so we can go get this haircut. And yeah, I don't know what happened with the video, but I had to re-upload it essentially. So yeah, this one got cooked. It just continued processing. I'll just take the blame from it. I'll take the blame for it, even though it wasn't, but it is at the end of the day. I could have realized this before I woke up. But nonetheless, this video is about to get posted. 10 a.m. vlog. Hey, I don't even care if it's going to get views. I'm just here for the consistency.
What's up, brother? Reverse. What's up, brother? Chilling? Yeah. Nah, yeah, I'm cool. Damn, I haven't. Last time I had one of these, I used to. You wanna see something new? See the glasses?
No way.
Yeah.
Hey. My shit's bad, bro.
Like, look at this, bro.
Damn, you cracked it much?
Nah, yeah, don't worry about that. Just save the camera. Save the camera.
Oh, you can't even tell that. Yeah. This is like me looking at it from another view, though.
I need these fucking glasses.
Nah, you know what I need? I need a cameraman. This looks good. If somebody can get good, like
You say you need a
angles of
cameraman?
this, like bro, because this looks good. Like look at how this looks. Like if you were to able, if somebody's able to like follow me around.
All right, man. We're going to the car, man. I need to go outside anyways.
Yeah, I got you, bro.
Yo, I need these glasses, bro. Holy shit.
Probably because it's bright outside.
It tries to have the same sensor. So if it's both of them are black, it shows that it's the same. So unless you record, I just move it away.
Oh, okay.
But like
okay.
this-
These shits, and they see clear. Like I can still see clear as day.
Polarized, bro. You good outside.
Damn.
Outside, these are great outside. Nobody gonna tell outside.
This shit worth the bread.
Oh, that's what I'm saying.
This shit hard.
And it's just
Like show your
content.
hands too,
Bro,
type
get
shit.
your else POV.
Yo.
Like, you're getting content for me.
That shit's hard.
I made you the cameraman right now.
That shit's hard. Yeah, man. I'm the cameraman. I ain't even gotta hold the
This
camera.
is what I said for my girl. I said when she don't want to record, put these.
Just
shit
put the
on.
glasses on.
Put the glasses on, get me like outside.
That's tough. Like you take.
Yeah. What you
Look,
see?
I'm videoing, bro. Hold on.
Think about it.
I'm video. That shit's hard.
You get my vlog right now.
That shit's hard, bro.
Cameraman,
Fresh cut. Wait. You can see the cut outside too. Yo, that shit's crazy, bro.
Like nobody knows.
I need these fucking glasses, bro.
One time. All right, we got the haircut and everything. Y'all met Steph. We got the haircut. Look at us. We looking good. The camera mic was dead, so I didn't get to record any of the audio for the most part, but we did get some content on the camera, as you guys saw. But right now, we're about to head back to the crib, and I did come to the realization I got to fucking pack. I got to start getting all this shit disassembled my table, getting everything, just getting ready to basically leave. Because after today, I just have a VIP session, and then I got to start packing tomorrow to get ready to move everything Monday. So we got a lot to do, but we also got to get to the gym still. The gym is not like I'm not going to the gym still. I'm more than likely going to go to the gym first and then start unpacking everything just so I can get it out the way. And then by the time I go get my girlfriend, I can go get her, come back, and we can start unpacking and everything. But also the video that didn't post last night for some fucking reason, it posted this morning. So it looks like we're going to have a double upload. Nonetheless, it looks like you guys are showing love to the video. So far, it's only been up for 2 hours, and we're at 825 views. I love you guys, and that's why I'm coming with a double upload. It's not a double upload. It should have been uploaded last night, but it is what it is. We just gonna do what we gotta do, no matter what. So, with that being said, let's start off all the yapping and get the day started again.
All right, let me see. I gotta start cleaning this room out. I'm not gonna take apart everything right now. Let me put this on so y'all can get good lighting in here. You know what I'm saying? The new crib, I'm not gonna have to deal with all this fake lighting, artificial lighting. I'm gonna have fucking great ass windows. But all this stuff, about to just put it all into this corner, honestly. All the stuff that needs to be moved is about to go into this corner over here. So, I'm about to do a quick before and after. So, yeah. Luna, we're gonna be moving, girl. I know you don't understand what's going on, but we're moving. Alright, we got majority of the stuff over here into this corner. All the closet for the most part. This is all the paintings I'm taking to the next apartment. This is just some clothes I gotta be able to wear today and tomorrow. And then that stuff, I'm not gonna move it over there. But yeah, I'm gonna leave this for now. This is gonna be a challenge to tackle. There's a lot of stuff going on here. For the people that don't know what it looks like behind, it's a whole lot going on. But nonetheless, this I'm gonna save for later. Right now, I'm gonna go take the dogs for a walk, and then I'm gonna go to the gym. Yo, it's sunny as shit today. I love it though. This is the weather I'm here for. I moved to Florida for this reason right here. Beautiful sun, being able to walk my dogs, enjoy the weather. Shorts, a tank top. But yeah, I gotta get them on this walk, and then once they're done on this walk, I'm gonna be able to go to the gym and get the rest of my day started, man. Recording with the camera, and then it died. Ain't that some shit? I didn't even bring my, what's it called, the glasses either. Hey, it be like that sometimes. I'm gonna just get the workout right over here. I'm not gonna get too much. I'll probably put some clips maybe that I record for Instagram. But we here though. You guys see we here though. We active every single day. We were about to go to Chick-fil-A, but we changed our mind. We about to just Uber Eats it.
All right, done the gym and everything, got her from work, and now we got to go to a whole bunch of stores. She has a whole list of stuff that we got to get or go. I'm not even sure what this list is. What is it? Some stuff, so then we're going to go do that. And then from there, I don't know. I'm going to get some stuff with the glasses for all the whatever we end up doing, but it's just a whole lot of running around the next couple of days. You saw me get all the stuff for the apartment, like moving around, but besides that, we did the VIP call. The video's up. I'm just getting more content for the rest of the day. There's nothing really more to do trade wise. It's the weekend. I'm not going to back test. I got other things to worry about, but if you don't have things to worry about, back test, review your trades. But for the other people that you're not in VIP, we do have the session tomorrow morning, but until tomorrow morning, I got other shit to do.
What is it?
I don't know how I feel about
I don't like the blue.
Yeah.
Never going. Got the Star Biggity Bucks. And now to Target. Oh yeah. Dunkin' Donuts is still better. Let's see. What are we gonna get first? Bathroom stuff? Let's see what we can find. Yeah, I gotta get these cable ties for the new setup, because I'm gonna make sure the new setup has no wires. So far we have a whole bunch of. I do not know how much it's gonna be, but it's gonna be something. Where's she at? Where is she at? Majority of the stuff is almost gotten. I just gotta figure out a Keurig situation. Stop the day. I'm about to get these Dollar General. She got on the new Crocs. Sticks out. Oh yeah, we're almost done. Then we going home.
Oh, that was like a flashbang, but we're back in the crib, so I think I showed most of it earlier, but most of this is already getting packed up. Majority of the room, there's no more paintings in here. It's pretty bland, but it is what it is. It's on to better things, and for the most part, just bring you guys into a day in the life of an entrepreneur and the day in the life of a trader. The glasses make it very easy for me to actually get content, even when I'm running around on days like this, where I literally been at stores, been getting a haircut. I did the VIP call earlier. I haven't really done much that I may like record with the camera, but I was able to do it with the lens. And this great investment, great investment. I even convinced my barber Steph to be able to get some. So with that being said, this is where I'm gonna end the video off. Double upload. Appreciate you guys for everything. I'm gonna continue showing you guys what it takes to be great. So with that being said, if you wanna learn how to trade, the trading concepts, the systems, any of it, make sure you check out the free trading course, the free trading webinars. It'll teach you all of it for completely free. Then when you're ready to actually get experience, trade with me, trade with the team, watch my trades. You can take my trades and learn how to manage risk live. Join VIP. Look, started this video with no cut. Now we got a cut. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow.